let's say I have multiple branches here. You see that master branch, development branch, and test branch. Okay, I should give them an option to choose the branch when I build it, right? So how do I going to do that? That's what let me quickly see it. Okay, so for that, we can have an option called this project is parameterized. So I'm going to use a string parameter. We'll talk about the other parameters shortly. So there I can say the name is the variable it is getting stored. Okay. And whenever you are defining a variable in Jenkins, always use it with the capital. So let me call it as branch. Okay. So this is the name of the variable, and the default value I can provide, like for example, if the user will not provide anything, I will provide a default value. Let me call it as master is the default value, right? This is the master is the default value. And description, please enter the branch to build. Okay, so I'm going to get the branch name from the user. Okay, and I'm storing it to a variable called branch. And in my Git, I'm providing the branch, right? Here, let me use the variable instead of the hard-coded master value. So whenever you use a variable in Jenkins, use in this format. Okay, dollar open curly bracket, because if there is any space in the variable name, that will be avoided. So use this option. So always define the variable in all caps, and when you are using it, use it with this option. Okay. This is the branch. I'm using a string parameter, and name of the string parameter is a branch, and there I'm defining default value master, and then I'm going to use the dollar branch in the branch specifier. Okay. Now let me save it. You see that the build command now changed with a different option.
Build with
parameters. So there it is going to ask me what is the branch name. Okay. Let me just give it to the default option first. Okay. You see the console output. Okay, you can see it is pulling the master, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me build it again. There, let me provide what is the other branch I have. Test. Test is one branch I am having. So let me manually put test. Build it. So you see the console output. You see, now it is pulling the test branch instead of the master. This is the use of a string parameter where you are allowed to give the values, and that values you can use it on any step. Not only here, even in the build step also you can use the variable. So this variable value assignment will be available for the complete job.